You can never compromise on audio as a content creator. I don't know how much I can stress this. I've created some of the best tech tutorials, but most of them got messed up by bad audio. I know we are always advised to start with what we have, but it doesn't always give the best quality. Starting out, I followed the same advice and some of my audio were the worst. Over the years, I've had to use different microphones. I first started with a device inbuilt microphone which could be on my mobile phone or my PC, and then I switched to a wired lapel microphone. I later switched to this wireless lapel microphone even though it was a cheaper quality, but that's what I could afford at that time. After that, I switched to this Holyland LAC A1, which is a much better quality. It lasts longer in terms of power and has a better noise cancellation functionality. For my PC, I switched to this Maono. It is an XLR microphone, but now you'll need an audio interface for this. So I have created two reviews of different audio interfaces. One was for a simple Tayun Q24, and then there was another one for a Focusrite Twin 2 4th generation. You can check out those two.